Hello mga guys, gawa tayo ng blend na juice. Carrots, yan. Magbe-blend tayo ng carrots. Hindi ko sure kung itong aking blender ay kakayanin itong carrot kasi matigas. Bebe, if I blend this, add water? No. A little
water?
Yeah?
No.
Only, ano? This one?
Yeah.
Maya na itong pipino. May pipino po tayo. Itatry natin i-blend kung kakayanin. Hindi pa ako nakakabili ng blender eh. Try natin, ganyan. Ano tayo ng ano? Oh, good oh. I-drink po natin to. Ito yung ating breakfast. A little water, so no. Later, eh? Add a little apple. You watch first, baby. Clean first. Yan, yung ating carrots. So may ano tayo, pipino. Lagyan natin ng pipino. Linisin natin yan. Yan. Lagyan natin siya ng apple. Ito tayo exercise. May apple po tayo. Maglagay tayo ng apple.
I don't really understand how you would think it's incumbent upon me.
Anybody watching this right now thinks you are confused by the notion that in the UK you go to jail for mocking Islam?
Yan.
I don't understand how we got onto you shouting me about Islam specifically. I'd like to return to
Okay, it's because you said people should be allowed to come to this country.
Chop natin siya. Lagyan natin ng konting tubig para magka-juice. Lagyan po natin siya ng Wilkins. Ayan, may tubig po tayong Wilkins dito. Konti lang. Ayan. Para maging juice. Ayan. Lagyan natin yung apple.
I'm a free speech guy, right? I think that something that's nice about America is that we're a country that has that value, and that we don't
Okay.
generally think that you
Kaya
should be
yung ating
banning kicked out of the country.
tatlong ingredients.
I think that easy change.
Apple, pipino, saka carrot. Try natin. Agad lang. Di siya ano, hindi talaga siya katulad ng sa ano to? Hindi siya talaga katulad yung sa ano na ito na po siya mga guys. Yung ating ginawa, pero kailangan ko talaga ng blender para mas mapino. Malalaki pa siya, oh. Uy. Sarap. Matamis-tamis. Matagal na nguyaan to kasi hindi siya masyadong ano. Kailangan ko ng blender. Kasi depino yung ano carrots. Matigas. Pero okay siya. Yun na mga guys. Pagkatapos ko dito, inom pa ako ng coffee na blood coffee. Gumawa po tayo ng blood coffee. Pure coffee po ito. Ito po yung gamit natin. Yan. Yan lang. Thanks for watching.